In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 20 EMA on TradingView. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy-to-read 20-period exponential moving average on your chart, and you'll understand exactly what you clicked and why. The 20 EMA is a popular trend-following line that reacts quickly to price, making it helpful for spotting momentum and dynamic support, or resistance. Start by opening your chart on TradingView. Any market and any time frame will work, so choose the symbol you want to analyze and make sure the chart is visible. If you're on a computer, you'll see a toolbar at the top. On mobile, the layout is compact, but the options are similar. Next, click the Indicators button at the top of the screen. This opens the Indicator Library, which is a searchable list of built-in tools. In the search box, type EMA or spell out exponential moving average. Both terms point to the same indicator, and you'll see it appear in the results. Select the EMA indicator from the list. As soon as you add it, a moving average line will appear on your chart. It might not be set to 20 by default, so we'll adjust that now to match the exact setting you want. Find the indicator's name on your chart or in the list of active indicators, and click the small gear icon to open its settings. This is where you control how the EMA is calculated and displayed. In the Settings window, look for the field labeled Length or Period. Change that value to 20. This tells TradingView to compute the average based on the most recent 20 candles, weighting the latest prices more heavily so the line responds faster to current moves. While you're in the settings, choose a color and line thickness that stand out against your chart background. A bright, contrasting color helps you spot the EMA quickly, and a slightly thicker line can make it easier to follow without overwhelming your view. Aim for clarity, so the line remains visible whether your background is light or dark. When you're happy with the look, click OK or Apply. Your 20 EMA will now appear on the chart and update in real time as new candles form. You can hover over the line to see its exact value at any point in time, and you'll notice how price often interacts with it during trends. That's it. You opened a chart, added the EMA, set the length to 20, customized the style, and applied the changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined TradingView setup.